Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, this is Sahla, back again to say about Islam. Thank you for encouraging me to do this again and again. The Islamic faith is based on 6 pillars. That is, belief in Allah, belief in angels who are created by Allah from light. They have no gender and they do not eat or drink and have no earthly needs. Belief in revealed books such as the Torah, Zabur, Injil and Quran. Belief in the messengers and prophets of Allah. Belief in good and bad occurs. Belief in the last day or the judgment day. And in Arabic we say as Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rasulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi minallahi ta'ala. Well, there are more misunderstandings nowadays about Islam, but those are not true. Islam is the religion of Allah. Islam is the religion of justice. Islam is the religion of mercy. Islam is the religion of mutual support. Islam is the religion of freedom. Islam is the religion of all mankind. Islam is a clear religion. Islam honors women. Islam is a simple path which is easy to follow. Okay friends, hope I have given few information about Islam. Inshallah, I will try to know more about Islam and tell to you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.